We arrived late in the day, but the kids went ahead of us and had time to explore without us. We mainly explore near and in the campground. We're back in Jumbo Rocks campground again, which is in and of itself a playground. Our campsite this time is much smaller than it was before, although it has a nice little nook for a campfire if we had taken the time for that, which we did not. This is definitely one of our favorite campgrounds. Matt and Caroline enjoying the sunset. Next morning, we start out at Skull Rock. We head out on the hike to the Barker Dam. In the early 1900s, this started as a catch basin and was expanded into a dam by Barker and Shea Cattle Company. Then later, it was enlarged by Bill Keyes, the owner of Desert Queen Ranch. And this is the original catch basin. Snow on the mountains in the distance doesn't even seem real in some ways. We then go on the hike out to see the Wall Street Mill, although there are no photos in here of the mill itself. We just posed next to the cars that are abandoned along the hike. ended the day by taking them to Arch Rock. We stop at the visitor center in Twentynine Palms before we go to the RV park we're staying at. Unfortunately, the hot tub isn't working, but it looked nice. We didn't take any of our own pictures, so you have this, but it was a nice place to relax and get laundry done before we take off to Death Valley the next morning.